how to apply for a visitor or tourist visa to your desired country. Stay tuned and watch. So if you are going to apply for a visitor or tourist visa from your country into your desired country, you may need to provide some documentation and some proof of your existing life situation and what you are going to do when you arrive there and when are you coming back to your home country. So these are the things you need to take care of. The first thing you need to show, or you must show, is your income source. Are you able to afford your tour to the international country that you are going to? So you may be able to show your job, like employment documents, service letters, pay slips for the last 6 months or 1 year, and also need to show your salary bank account. So you have received the salaries, you can provide the proof of that. You can also get the maintenance letter from the bank to accompany with it. And then if your income source is business, so then you will need to show some business registration documents. So whether the business, no matter what business registration authority there is in your country, you will need to show registration with them. In Pakistan, where I'm from, they are called SCCP for short. You will need to show a CTC, which is certified true coffee, from that, and you will also need to be a member of the Chamber of Commerce. So membership certificate and membership card will need to be provided. Those are the basic requirements for business. Then you will also so in order to make it more believable, you also can register your business at Google. So when they search it, type it into Google, they can pop up and see your reviews and stuff. So know that, so they can know that your business is genuine. Also, you may need to provide some photos at your business location. For example, if you have a storage of the materials that you are selling, so storage pictures, you can show pictures of your desk and chairs and office and stuff like that. You can also provide clear scans of your visiting cards, your letterheads, and these are some basic requirements to show that you are capable of affording the visit that you are going to. And these are also ties to your home country, so you can convince the immigration officer that I will be coming back to my home country because I have such strong assets in my home country. So these are the business registration documents you need to provide. Then you also need to provide the photos and maybe videos, so you can do a few videos in your business place and upload them to your Facebook or something, and provide the links and the cover letter so the immigration officer can see videos and pictures of your business for additional proof. You can also show family ties, so your immediate family, like mother, father, parents, and also like husband, wife, spouse, children. So you can show them with the Nadra certificates in Pakistan or some other relevant authority in your home country that these are your parents, your siblings, that you will be coming back to the home country for them. You cannot leave them permanently, and that is also one of the plus points for your visa approval. You can also show home ties to your home country in the form of assets. So if you own a lot of some agricultural land, residential land or commercial land or different kind of properties, you have the ownership certificates for them. You can provide a proper proof that you own these properties and these assets. They could be cars, different businesses, whatever. You need to show assets in your home country and family in your home country, and they accumulate toward the ties to home country, which is a basic point the immigration officer will be looking for in order to approve or deny you the visa. You will also need to provide an impeccable cover letter, an itinerary and travel plan. So in cover letter you show your basic purpose of travel. Why am I visiting? It should be a strong reason, and you may be able to provide a proof of that reason. So I'm visiting this person. This person is my brother. These are the chat records with my brother. These are the pictures and videos with my brother. He is my sponsor, and this is the sponsor letter from my brother. So that is the proof of the travel, proof of purpose of the travel. So you may need to provide that. You may need to provide a sponsorship letter attested by an immigration lawyer from your brother in that country. So you show that sponsor letter with your application, attach it with your application as well as proof of the travel and purpose of the travel. So that is one cover letter. Some points in the cover letter you can mention. Also the daily plan of your visit. So what will you, how long will you be staying there, and when will you be coming back? You can attach a return ticket or at least a booking of a return ticket, so the immigration officer can see at which date you are going and on which date you will be coming back. As a proof of that, you can provide the booking of that flight, and then you also need to provide an itinerary, so that the ticket booking is part of the itinerary. Also hotel booking is of the itinerary. So if you are staying with your brother, he needs to provide proof of everything, your accommodation and your support in that sponsor letter, and he needs to provide the proof of that accommodation availability. And if you are going on your own, so you must be have a booking for a hotel room on your own. You may also need to provide travel insurance and health insurance for these visas. So if you have all these documents lined up one after another in a proper clear scan and attested verified way, there are very little chances that your visa will be refused. And to see more informative videos like this, subscribe and press the bell icon so you get instant updates and up to speed when new videos come up. And thank you for watching this one. Keep browsing. Have a nice day.